The Montana House came in at 9 a.m. on Wednesday for a full day of debate, but there was only one bill on their agenda.
Glad to be up here, and hopefully everyone is ready for a riveting day of budget talks.
The House tackled the biggest bill of the session, House Bill 2, the Maine State Budget Bill. HB 2 sets out $8 billion in state spending each of the next 2 years. It's divided into 5 sections, with the largest being Health and Human Services, followed by Education, Natural Resources and Transportation, General Government, and Law and Justice. Lawmakers ran through the budget section by section, explaining the notable changes, and on each section they debated possible amendments. Republican Representative Lou Jones of Conrad chaired the Appropriations Committee that shaped the bill, and he urged lawmakers not to amend it on the floor.
We are dealing with a bill the size of a book. We're dealing with subcommittee work that was days upon days. And I believe that making these changes on the floor makes this unstable.
But the House did vote to make several changes to HB 2, including removing an executive branch fund for recruiting and retaining state employees. Some of the biggest debates were in the justice budget, where Democrats proposed amendments to increase funding for public defenders and remove money that's paying to hold Montana inmates at private prisons in Arizona and Mississippi. But neither received majority support.
Last session, we did pass some funding for a much smaller number of beds in Arizona, and we were told that this was a necessary but temporary stopgap measure. And here we are 2 years later with 3 times the number of beds in twice as many states, even further away, with no end in sight.
We are now in a crisis, and there is no place to put these people. And if we decide that we are not going to fund this, I have to ask, where are you going to stack them? Because you can either put bunk beds in the places that we've got now, or you can put them on the street, which I really don't think is a good idea.
HB 2 will need to pass a final vote in the House before going over to the Senate. There are only 26 legislative days left to get the budget finalized. In Helena, Jonathan Amberian, MTN News.